Welcome back to Quiz Cognito. Are you ready to test your math knowledge? Let's go. In today's Grade 1 challenge, we're tackling 50 fun division questions designed to push your limits and sharpen your division skills. Think you can get them all right? Let's dive in and see how you do. What is 0 divided by 1? The correct answer is B, 0. If you take 1 and divide it by 1, what do you get? That would be A. Now, 2 shared by 1 equals? The right answer is C, 2. Moving on, what does 3 divided by 1 give you? It comes out as 3. Divide 4 by 1. What's the result? The answer here is C, 4. Fill in the blank. What is 6 divided by 2? If you split 5 by 1, what number do you get? You end up with A5. Next up, 6 divided by 1 comes out to... The correct response is C, 6. How about 7 divided by 1? What does that equal? That equals A, 7. 8 divided by 1, can you solve it? The right choice is C, 8. What's 9 divided by 1? That makes it A-9. Word problem. The 12 apples are shared equally among 4 friends. How many apples does each friend get? And finally, 10 divided by 1 equals? The solution is C, 10. Let's try 2 divided by 2. What answer do you get? The correct answer is A, 1. What about 4 divided by 2? That works out to B-2. Next, 6 split by 2 equals. The right answer is A, 3. And if you divide 8 by 2, what do you get? The solution is C, 4. Fill in the blank. 20 divided by what number equals 5? Ten divided by 2 is equal to? That equals A, 5. How about 12 divided by 2? Well, what's the result? The correct result is D, 6. Let's check 14 divided by 2. What do you think? It comes out as B-7. 16 divided by 2 comes to? The answer is A, 8. 18 divided by 2 equals? That's C, 9. Fill in the blank. 9 chairs are arranged into 3 rows. How many chairs does each row have? And 20 divided by 2 gives? The correct response is A, 10. Now, what's 5 divided by 5? The answer is C, 1. 10 shared by 5 gives you 2. That would be A-2. And 15 divided by 5 comes out as... The right answer is B, 3. Divide 20 by 5, what do you get? The result is C-4. Word problem. 8 pencils are divided equally into 2 boxes. How many pencils are in each box? $25 divided by 5 is equal to... The correct option is A, 5. What happens if you divide 30 by 5? That comes to C6 and... Now 35 divided by 5 equals? The solution is A, 7. 40 divided by 5 comes to? The correct answer is B, 8. 45 divided by 5 is? That makes it C-9. $50 divided by 5 equals? You get A, 10. Let's go with 10 divided by 10. What's the answer? That equals C-1. What do you get when you divide 20 by 10? The correct choice is A, 2. 30 split by 10 comes out as? That works out to C, 3. Divide 40 by 10. What's the answer? The answer is A, 4. Word problem: 10 puppies are placed equally into 2 baskets. How many puppies are in each basket? $50 divided by 10 gives you the correct result is C, 5. What's 60 divided by 10? That makes it A-6. 70 divided by 10 equals the answer is C, 7. 80 divided by 10 comes out to that's A, 8. 90 divided by 10, what's the result? The right answer is B, 9. 100 divided by 10 equals the solution is A, 10. Now let's try 6 divided by 3. The correct answer is C, 2. 9 divided by 3 equals what? That comes out as A-3. And 12 shared by 3 comes out as the right option is B, 4. What's 15 divided by 3? That equals A, 5. 18 divided by 3 equals the answer is C, 6. 21 divided by 3 gives what answer? The correct result is A, 7. 24 divided by 3 comes to that works out to be 8. Let's try 8 divided by 4. What do you get? The answer is B, 2. And finally, 12 divided by 4s the correct choice is B, 3.